get started. What are you doing? Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna swap out these taillights. We're gonna put on some new taillights today. They're pretty sweet. They're AP2 style LEDs. Just want to give a little backstory though. We actually already had one of them installed. And then we came across some issues with like, what was it? I think it was the blinkers. The two wiring were like switched, so we had to cut them and then switch them around. And so I guess we thought it'd be a good idea to just actually document it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. They're basically AP2 style taillights compared to the AP1s, as you can see. The only difference is these are actually full LEDs. So like the blinkers, the brake lights, and the reverse lights are actually all LEDs. Whereas the OEM AP2s, I think, they're still halogen?
Yeah, up until a certain year.
I don't know, who cares? All right, throw the shit on. Latina girls be like, oh my gosh, how do you know I'm Latina? All right, so this is the back end of the taillight. As you can see, it already has like, I guess like the bottom portion of the bulb. So you go to the OEM connectors and you're not gonna be using any of the bulbs. These are just gonna plug into whatever corresponding plugs. As you can see, we modified these. Black and red goes to red and black because we switched them, and now these work. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Damn, that fitment though.
That fitment is almost as good as my wheel.
That fitment though.
It doesn't look too bad.
Wow, dude. Look at this rippled effect he's got.
It's just a filter, guys.
Just comparing the two taillights. This is the AP2 style. And then these are the AP1s. Ah, there we go, better angle. That's what they look like. All right, go try it.
All right, brakes first.
Okay. Okay. Turn on your running lights. Okay, those work. You can just put in a reverse.
It's in reverse.
Really? All right, let me see. Hey, there we go, it works. All right, so if the bulbs don't turn on, so this one's the reverse one, and all I did was unplug the black thing out and then just switch it around to plug it back into here. And now it works. So now, on the other side, we're gonna have to do the same thing with the blinker, and then that way it'll fix this issue.
Cause your boy's getting tired.
It's a break time. Hey, but check out the fitment though, alright? You see this fitment? It's alright. I mean, it's alright.
It's not about being good.
It's alright. It's alright. And then we'll look at his AP1 fitment. It's alright. It's alright. What is this? What is this? But I mean, it's alright. I think my favorite part is probably this one. For anyone that's wondering, this is his VIN, by the way. Look it up. Just kidding. It's not even a matching trunk. Are these gonna be for sale?
Nope.
Oh.
I need them for another project.
Never mind.
They're for my Miata.
Bro, why do you keep showing off your back?
Dude.
Gosh. Let me see that tramp stamp. Oh shit. Let me just show off my craftsmanship. Oh yeah. Light work, you know. Call me an electrician. So yeah, there we go. All done. Plug it back in. And if the bulbs don't light up, we just unplug it, turn them around. And yeah, come on, start plugging it in. Chop chop, sun's going down. Oh yeah, the job also is a lot easier if you don't have like half your trunk in here.
It's about looking good, not being good.
Wow. Just some cheap suspension.
What? I haven't eaten since I bought that.
Just a cheap exhaust system. And some freshly powder coated AP2 wheels. Keep saying APT. Freshly powder coated. Look at this carbon. And then look at this carbon. Woo! So sick. Titanium. Missing horn button. Dents. the bumper's missing, but it's okay, it's got a diffuser. Damn, look at that tramp stamp. So this one doesn't even fit in there.
What did you expect?
I know. This is what you get off of eBay. You get what you pay for, but I mean, at least they're LED, right? They're connected anyway, so I guess we'll just let it hang out there, you know. No big deal. I mean, he's missing half his trunk anyway, but they look pretty nice.
They do. All right, let me test them out.
All right, test them out. Let's see what the right one, if the right one lights up.
These are the brakes.
Blinkers, reverse, yep. Running lights. Hey, they all work. Cool. AP2 S2K. What do you have to say about these taillights overall?
Okay.
All right, so what do we recommend these taillights? If you're looking to convert to AP2 taillights, wanna get a cheaper set and they're full LED, you could go with these. But like I said, the fitment isn't 100%. But then again, they're from eBay and from far away, they're still nice. So these ain't it. I think these are it. I know. But I mean, seriously, how are you gonna complain about these when this whole car looks like this?
You're right. You're right. It's kind of like
all these bullet holes. For how much it cost, I'd say it was worth it. It's a little upgrade from, it looks better than the AP1 taillights for sure though. There we go, yeah. We'll see how many girls he gets and then we'll update you guys. All right, so it's dark now. We're gonna check out what these taillights look like and then we're gonna go for a test drive and see how they feel. Just wait a little second. My boy's struggling. Ooh. Sick. Damn, that's bright. It looks like the blinker ones are lighting up too, but they're just reflected off of the brake lights. Camera's not doing too much justice, but damn. Fresh. All right, about to go on the test drive.
okay.